Hey my loves, wagwan wagwan, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. This is just a quick video that I decided to share with you guys. I saw this Parmesan crusted potatoes on TikTok and I decided to try it. And so I'm sharing it with you guys, of course. I hope you guys enjoy. For this recipe, you will need baby potatoes. I guess you could do it with any kind of potatoes, but I'm using Yukon potatoes, which is my favorite. Go ahead and scrub those potatoes real good, and then we're gonna cut them in halves. Not sure if this makes a difference, but I cut mine vertically. We're gonna go ahead and score our potatoes. So just run some lines through, going vertically and horizontally, and be careful with your knife, please. So now we have to season our potatoes, of course, because we don't do bland food around here. Some oil, around 2 teaspoons. I added around a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of rosemary, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of my jerk seasoning because I use it in everything, but that's optional. Please feel free to use whatever seasonings you like. Salt and pepper will do. Go ahead and rub that all in, set it to the side, and preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the Parmesan cheese that would be perfect for this recipe would be the finely grated ones, like powder, but I don't have that. So we're going to go ahead and blend up or shredded Parmesan. We gotta improvise. Let's do it, right? So I melted 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in my oven, and then I proceeded to add my grated cheese to that. So I'm gradually adding the cheese while mixing. You don't want to dump everything all in because it should sort of form a paste, I think. However, if you did put too much cheese, you can just go ahead and add some more melted butter, vice versa. I ended up switching my tool to a spatula because I think that was better to press it down. Go ahead and add your potatoes face down. And I'm gonna go ahead and bake my potatoes for around 20 minutes, keeping an eye on them. I love trying new recipes. I live for trying these new TikTok recipes. Listen, I think I'm gonna start sharing more of my, trying out recipes with you guys because it's fun. So I baked for 25 minutes on 425 Fahrenheit, and this is how we're looking, guys. I think my cheese could have stuck on the potatoes more. Maybe I should have baked it a little more, but let me tell you, these were absolutely delicious. One of the best potatoes recipe I've ever had. And I just served it up with some tilapia and some asparagus. This was a light dinner for me, but this was absolutely delicious. I think I'm always gonna make my potatoes like this. You guys try this recipe and let me know what you think. Let me know what other viral recipes you'd like to see me try on here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these fun and amazing recipes. And please, guys, do me a huge favor. Go over to my Pinterest, if you have Pinterest, and go follow me. I'll be there a little bit more because I'm trying to grow on that platform as well. So please do me that huge favor. It should be on the screen right now. It's Jamaican Cuisine. Thank you so much.